Hi Aquarius, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We're going to talk about how month of October is going to be for you, your chakra of the month, color of the month, number of the month, health, wealth, relationship, money, career, your soul growth, your what is that one thing that you need to take care of for the whole month, your mental exercise of the month, and what will happen if you follow the advices of the cards. So lot to cover. This is the month where pregnancy is something that I see on your cards, or a baby birth is something that I see on your cards, which is going to happen. Second, family is going to be important, or some messages from the family will flow towards you, or you will flow some messages towards your family. Earning or money coming from your skill is going to be something that is going to be happening this month. Balance is going to be very important this month, whether it is balancing your emotions or balancing your physical body or balancing while you're walking. Balance is going to be very important this month. Some announcements, some things from the past might come back, and some people who have done something or deceived you in a certain way might just would want to come back or say sorry to you. Don't take them back. And also this month, ensure that whenever you're speaking, when whatever you want to do, you're not rude. You are you're taking care of your communications. You're taking care of how you're communicating. Also, you don't need to communicate everything. It is not important to kind of say everything that you feel. At times it is important to either change the words, how you're saying it, or not to tell other people what to do or what not to do. You can just be in your zone. You can just be with yourself. You can just be comfortable with yourself, and just don't try to instruct or change the whole world. That is not needed. Rather, if you want to, if that is meant to happen through you, you need to change the way you are speaking. You need to change the way you are expressing yourself. That's one thing that is very important this month. So let's just start with your health. I don't see any health trouble as such this month, other than some hormonal imbalances, because there is moon card, so take care of your hormones. Also, because moon cards at time shows viruses and allergies and all, and so COVID is something that you need to take care of and take precautions this month. Also, another thing is there's a possibility of something that has happened to you in the past. So a disease from your past might just come back, and that would come back if either you're not taking care of yourself, or you're not taking the precautions that were told to you, or there is a possibility that you've not taken the medication in the way that it was suggested to you. So something from your past might come back. This could just be a pregnancy also, but maybe in your past there has been more of the pregnancy could not stay, but this time it's going to complete your world, so it's going to stay. So this could be that also, but still just take precautions from COVID. Just take and just ensure that if there is any disease or any problem that has happened in the past, and if not taken the medication properly, not completed the course, connect with the doctor if anything happens to you at all. Otherwise, and for your emotional and mental health, take care that you're not thinking too much. Take care that you're not thinking of depressive thoughts. Keep your mind stable, keep your sleep stable, meditate, and keep yourself balanced. The balance is also required while you're walking. So ensure that only when your first foot is stable is when you pick up the second foot or take the second step. So ensure that you're walking very carefully this month, and you're taking care of your food and diet this month. If we talk about your wealth or money, there is Three of Pentacles, there is King of Pentacles. I don't see anything to worried about be worried about the money, because money will flow into your life from your skill, and otherwise also it could also flow from the people in your life, and you might just also enter into a contract or agreement or some kind of business that you've been waiting for to happen from a long time. There had been delays in it, or somebody in your past cheated and that thing could not be completed or happen. This is the time when this will happen. By end of the month probably you'll see it happening. You'll see that money flow coming towards you. If we talk about your love or relationships, this is the month where you can announce the marriage. This is the month where you can take the relationships forward. This is the month which is going to bring in more balance into the relationships. This is the month where your world is going to be complete. So pregnancy definitely is there. And also, if you're looking forward to have somebody new in your life, people will come into your life. If you're waiting for a proposal, the proposal will come into your life. The only thing that I see is that, and then there is Six of Wands in the beginning, so there could be announcement of marriage that you've made. great in the past. The only thing that I see is with moon card, at times there are delays in happening of the things, but those delays are actually for your protection, for actually for telling you what the truth is, actually for keeping you away from some kind of people who might be a cheat, or somebody who might be cheating you in a certain way. So that is why if there is a delay, don't get disheartened by the delay. Just try to understand why this delay is happening and what is good in that delay for you. And if you are into a study relationship, or if you're into a relationship and there has been things that have happened in the past, there has been problems that has happened in the past, leave those problems in the past. Don't carry those problems forward with you, or don't try to take them out from the grave and fight over it. So let those things be in grave. Don't fight for the things that have happened in the past. Don't actually indulge your emotions into the things that have happened from the past, and don't try to sort those things that don't even need to be sorted. Don't try to fight over the things that don't even need to be, that are not even important to say. And if somebody has cheated you in your past, don't take that person back. That person will try to come back. Don't take that person back into your life, but you don't have to use very harsh words. You can just say, I'm not ready for it, I can't trust you anymore, or I don't want you in my life anymore. So that much should be enough. You don't have to do more than that. If we talk about your job or career, now opportunities definitely will come your way. There is King of Pentacles, so definitely money is flowing, so opportunity has to be there. And there's Three of Pentacles, so you're getting some money from your skill. So there could be that with your job you pick up something else which is your skill, and you start earning from that as well, because I see a balance, a lot of balance, like to managing two things simultaneously. That's something that's there on your card. So there's a possibility of that. There's a possibility of you leaving your job for further study. That's possibility. There's a possibility of leaving one job and moving to another. There's a possibility of leaving one place, country, and moving to another. There's also a possibility where you want to get, or you get a message from somebody about something new, and you have to move away from your family. But like I said, that when these things will start happening and you get the first message and then you get the second message, there could be a delay in between that. But if there is a delay, don't take it as negative. Take it as the time that has been given you to prepare for this further thing. So take this as a time for preparation, and don't take this as a delay. Another thing that I'm sorry, I was supposed to go on the job front, but there is something very strong happening right now, and that is why I would tell you this month intuition is going to be very important. And I'm supposed to talk about soul growth next to job and career, but I need to talk about it right now, I think, because many of you would not watch till the end, and it's important message for you whoever was thinking to kind of stop watching it. The soul growth is very important for you this month. Intuition is going to develop. Angels and guides want to connect with you, and they are going to try to connect with you. And if you just say a prayer that I'm ready to receive the messages or the guidance, I allow my angels and guides to connect with you, or God for that matter, to connect with me, or my higher self to connect with me and guide me through the path of my soul growth, and let me walk towards my soul growth and have abundance in my life, or have everything beautiful in my life. Start praying that every day while going to sleep, or when you wake up, or anytime you remember. And you can just say that you give me messages through my dreams, or you can give me messages through the time or the things that I see, or the signals that I see while I'm awake. So just pay close attention to signs. I see your intuition, and intuition is usually the third eye. So I see your intuition, though I feel a lot of sensation in my crown as well while I'm reading for you. But I see something happening with your third eye and crown and opening up. So intuition is going to be important for you. Let's just go back to your job and career. There is a possibility of you finding a business. There is a possibility of you investing into a business. There is a possibility where you actually take up your passion or skill and make that a business and start earning out of it. So there is a possibility of it this month. Just be aware that however people are presenting themselves, you do a background check. You don't just trust anybody on the face value, and you don't express, or actually you don't say everything in the first go, like keep your thoughts and ideas to yourself. Once you are able to trust the person, once you are able to trust everything, that is when you speak out everything. And like I said again, communications and signs are going to be very important. You just take care of them. If you're not able to find a difference between what your intuition is telling you about a certain person, or whether it is your intuition or not, write down somewhere, and then after a while just see if it actually happened. That means it was your intuition. So follow that this month, and your skill is going to be very important, will help you earn. The end is the World card, and World card is when a completion of a cycle happens. It could be completion of your family with the baby, it could be completion of your dreams, or completion of your studies, or finally full going towards achieving your dream. Could be anything. The chakras of the month for you is going to be solar plexus and sacral chakra. The mantra for sacral is Vam. Mantra for solar plexus is Ram. You can find these meditations on YouTube. Please follow those meditations and make them part of your life for this month. It's very important because your crown and third eye, somewhere your intuition is opening up. These two chakras will balance your emotions, and then only you'll be able to find or connect with your intuition. The mental exercise of the month for you is actually new vision. If you see this card, if it's a card of actually a hanged man, but this is in a very, very different way. There is angels, there is a person who is actually coming alive, or coming out of his usual body and becoming something very different. And I need to show you this. So this person is becoming completely different. He was crawling, or she was crawling, but now awaken, looking at life in a different way, looking at life in a different perspective. Trust this new vision of yours and follow this new vision or new balance of yours. You can affirm that I'm ready to see this new vision of my life. I'm ready to move towards my soul growth and soul path. I allow myself to move forward on it, and everything to come through, all the abundance to come through, all the knowledge to come through. I'm ready for it, and I'm moving on that path. Please do that this month. For the number of the month is number 9 for you, and color of the month, orange, yellow, silver. Any shades are going to be, even golden are going to be good for you. If you like the videos, please press the like button. It makes videos searchable. Share the videos with everyone that you can. Subscribe the channel. And if what is the one thing that you need to follow for the whole month? There is star card. Then if you see in this card, there are cups, there is water, there is a swan, there is flower, there is butterfly, there is sun, there is moon, there is a star, there is almost everything, an eye, a pyramid. So basically a opening up is happening this month, and it is very important for you to keep yourself balanced, to keep your mind open, to keep your thoughts open, and let this opening happen this month. So that is why don't try to control things, because you have that habit to control things, to control life, to move ahead in a controlled way, though you've never been able to do that, but you try doing that. So don't do that this month, and just go with the flow of life. Keep yourself balanced and be ready for this transformation. What will happen if you follow the advices of the cards? There is star and there is moon. Star is balance, star is knowing your light, getting into your light. Moon is intuition. So basically you're going to develop that intuition, you're going to connect with your guides and angels, you're going to get connected with your protectors, and you are only going to see light this month if you follow these advices. So please follow these advices. And if you want to know about soul growth, there is a series that I'm doing on soul growth. If you want to know about learn tarot reading, there's a series that I'm doing already on learning tarot readings and intuitive growth, or how you can increase your intuition. There are a lot of other videos on my channel that can help you with a lot of things like thinking, positive thinking, life, affirmations, making your home balanced. A lot of them are there. Please find some time and go through the playlist, watch those videos. If you find them useful, like them, share them with everyone, leave the comments that are important. And if you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that's provided in the description box, or through the comment section. You can just leave a message, I want a reading. I will share my number, we'll take it from forward from there. Also, just know that this month communications are important, healing yourself is important, balance is important. Communication is very important, not saying everything that you want to say and just evaluating, and if there is a news that you want to break that news to people who are connected with you from your birth. There is also a possibility that if pregnancy happens, your life partner might just not be there to announce it. Like, you know, the pregnancy happens and he goes somewhere, and then the news breaks to you. You don't have to communicate it immediately. You can actually communicate it in a little while, or wait for that person to come back also. So just know when you have to say something and when you don't have to say something, and keep yourself balanced and be ready for this emotional, rather intuitive growth of yours. I will see you with the next month's prediction or the other videos of mine, and till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.